How hard is it to install the whip kit? Do you need something else for the installation? How to control the colors and light patterns of the whips? Let's find out if this purchase was a good choice. And there is a surprise feature I wasn't aware of when I bought the whips. This is the lighting whip set I bought on Amazon. 2 whips, wiring harness, some flags to mount on whips, mounting spring base, the light switch and remote. The whip itself feels like good quality. It's flexible, but how long is it going to last? The light whip connects to the spring base with a quick connector. The place of physical installation depends on your machine and preference. I decided to mount it on the cage at an angle. I already installed the one spring on the left side. The spring works great in case of hitting a branch, allowing the whip to bend and preventing damage. Let's install the other spring base. You will need some additional brackets for this particular place of installation. You can buy the brackets on Amazon as well. I decided to use some engine hooks I had in my garage. When the bracket is in place, mount the spring base. I have used the hardware that was included in the set, but might change the nuts for self-locking in future. When the base is secured, simply snap on the whip, and it is on solid. I really like the quick connection. This makes it very easy to take the whips off for transportation or on tight trails. Let's move on to the wiring. When I bought this set, I didn't know you could use these lights as brake and turn signal lights. Because of that function, you have to pay attention to which wire is going to which side, as they are marked left and right. I already bought the signal switch a while ago. I will connect it and see how that bonus function works. The wire loom route will be specific to your machine and place of whip installation. I placed my wiring in the center, along the main wiring harness, and up to the switch. To connect the lights, you only need power and ground wires. I strongly recommend getting the power wire from a circuit that is live only when the ignition is switched on. This will prevent the battery discharge in case of accidentally pressing the switch on. I already got the power and ground wires connected to the horn switch beside, and will connect the light switch to the same wires. Now that everything is connected and ready for testing, let's check it out. After the ignition is turned on, the light switch should illuminate at the bottom. Let me switch the external light off for a better view. When you turn the whip lights on, the top flag symbol should light up. That means the whip lights should be on. You can see the reflection of the whips on the garage wall. Let's see how the whips light up when you switch them on. To control the lights, you can use the included remote control. Here is the description of the key function. You can also use the phone app to have more control over the light colors and the light patterns. Let's see how the signal lights work. To connect the brake light, you will need to find the brake light wire. On Maverick X3, it is located in the main wiring harness, and it is the white wire with an orange strip. Let's fire it up and see how the brake light works. First is the turn signal lights. And here is the brake light function. It is a personal preference, but I think it is a cool add-on to this light whips. If you like my door decal design, please visit my Etsy store to order the same decal set as you see on my door. It is available in different colors as well. You can also order the separate decals in different sizes and colors. Visit marconimotorsport.etsy.com.